So, we went to the amazing Max Royal Hotel in Antalya for our vacation, and of course, we decided to try all the fun games and water slides. Now, here's the funny part. It was Benjamin's first time going on a water slide. You know how scary it can look when you see that huge slide from the top? Well, it took us almost 1 full hour to convince him to try it. We were cheering, promising, even bribing him with dessert. Nothing worked at first. But finally, he did it. And guess what? Once he tried it, he wouldn't stop. He went again and again non-stop, laughing like a kid who just discovered his new favorite thing. So yeah, lesson learned. The scariest things are usually the most fun once you try them. Subscribe now, don't miss any new video coming up.